Hello, friends. Have you ever wondered how to enhance your business's customer service and engagement using just WhatsApp? So today I have a solution for you. For example, if you have a good customer base but struggle to reach them when your business offers something new or has a sales item, this tool can help. With this solution, you can send a message via WhatsApp to all your customers with just one click. Let's see how it works. Okay, friends. This is the tool called WhatsApp Rocket, and it's currently available as a Google Chrome extension. It's not just for sending WhatsApp messages to your customers. It can do many things, including privacy options like blurring messages when you're on WhatsApp Web. To get started, first log into your WhatsApp Web on your browser. After that, visit the WhatsApp Rocket official website and click Install Chrome extension, then install the WhatsApp Rocket extension in your browser. As you can see, I have already installed it in my browser. Now, let's navigate to WhatsApp Web. Great, now we have successfully installed the WhatsApp Rocket extension. As I mentioned earlier, you can access some privacy options by clicking this icon. These options are very useful when you're browsing your WhatsApp Web at the office or in a public area. Okay, let's send our first message using this tool, but before that, let's take a quick look at the options in the WhatsApp Rocket extension. Okay, the number list tab allows you to send messages quickly to your customers by providing their numbers separated by comma. You can also send attachments by enabling the Send Attachments option. And here is the most important part. You need to set a delay to send messages to ensure you don't violate WhatsApp's policy. I recommend setting the delay to 13 to 16 seconds. And the Upload CSV option is amazing as it allows you to send WhatsApp messages to your customers using a Google Sheet or Excel file. Let's see it in action after sending our first message using the Number List tab. First, I set the random time delay to 13 and 16 seconds. Then, I write the message that I wish to send to my customers. I'll use their Rewrite with AI tool to generate the message. Then, in the phone numbers text box, you need to type or paste your customers' numbers. For the demonstration, I'll type one phone number and click the send button to see how it works. Great. Now, I hope you have a clear idea about the tool and what it can do. Okay, now it's time to try sending messages to customers using the Upload CSV option. All right, to do that, you need a CSV file with the contact details of your customers. If you already have one, you can upload it here. Otherwise, you'll need to create a new one. So you can use Google Sheets to make a new CSV file. So here you can see I already made a sample sheet using Google Sheets. You only need to have name and contact number columns. The others are optional but can be useful in some cases. Okay, let's download this sheet in CSV format. To do that, navigate to File, then click Download, and finally select comma-separated values to download the CSV file. After downloading the file, upload it here. After uploading the file, you need to specify which column contains the phone numbers. In my sheet, it's column 3, so I'll select column 3. Great. Now, in the message section, you'll notice an important option called Insert Variable. You can use this to automatically include specific column details in the message according to the phone number. For example, you can automatically include the customer's name in the message. Okay, I've inserted the customer's first name into the message. Let's see the result by clicking Send. Perfect. That's how the tool works. I hope you now have a clear idea of what this tool can do. Also, visit their official website for more details about the tool. You can send 200 messages per month for free, but if you have a medium-sized business, I recommend their premium subscription. It's at a really affordable price and is highly useful for your business. Also, please check the link in the description for an exclusive offer. And thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for our next video where we explore even more exciting tools and strategies for enhancing your business. Until then, take care and goodbye.